is Aditri Sharma from class 6C and I am going to present you my PPT in the earlier cities chapter 3 by Aditri Sharma, me, from 6th C. Now in this video I will tell you about Indus Valley Civilization, means Harappan civilization. The great introduction of ancient Indus civilization. The greater Indus region was home to the largest of four ancient urban civilizations of Egypt, Mesopotamia, South Asia and China. It was not discovered until the 90s. Most of these regions, even its major cities, remain to be excavated. The ancient Indus Valley civilization has not been dispersed. Now in this picture you can see the Mohenjo-daro, a Harappan civilization statue was found. Now cities in context. The Harappan used the same size bricks and standardized weight as were used in the Indus cities such as Mohenjo-daro and Dholavira. These cities were well planned with wide-side public and private wells, drains, bathing platforms and reservoirs. One of the most well-known structures is the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Now in this picture you can also see the Cell Workshop of Gujarat, India. The HARP and Indian excavations. Since 1986, the joint Pakistani-Americans Harappan Archaeological Research Project HARP has been carrying out the first major excavations at the site since before independence in 1946. These excavations have shown Harappa to have been far larger than once thought, perhaps supporting a population of 50,000 at certain periods. These continuing excavations are rewriting assumptions about the Indus Valley civilization as recent work by the archaeologists in the neighboring India. New fact, objects and example of writing are being discovered every year in India and Pakistan. Thank you and have a wonderful day. May you like this presentation.